In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table number in Canva, all in just 5 minutes. If you're planning an event and want to add a personal touch to your table settings, creating custom table numbers can be a great way to blend functionality with style. To get started, open up your web browser and go to the Canva website, or launch the Canva app if you're on your mobile device. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, you'll want to head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in table number and hit enter. This will pull up a wide selection of templates specifically designed for table numbers. The variety here is fantastic, offering everything from minimalist designs to more elaborate ones suitable for weddings or themed parties. Now take a moment to browse through these templates. As you scroll, think about the theme of your event and what design would complement it nicely. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on it to see a larger preview. Think about how this design could work with your chosen color scheme, the mood of your setting, or any pre-existing decor elements. After you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and click on the Customize this template button. This action will open up the template in Canva's design editor, where you can fully personalize it to suit your needs. This is where the magic really happens. Now, find the text element on the template, which is usually where the table number is displayed. Click directly on this text to begin editing. You can simply replace the existing number with the one you need. This could be a single digit or a more complex label depending on how you have your tables organized. You can easily adjust the font style, color and size using the options available at the top of the editor. This allows you to ensure that the numbers are visible and complement the overall design beautifully. As you're making these edits, don't be afraid to play around with different elements. You might want to switch up the font or add a border to make the number pop. Canva offers plenty of customization options, so feel free to experiment until the design feels just right. Once you're happy with the look of your table number, double check for any last minute adjustments. Ensure everything is aligned perfectly and visually appealing. When you're satisfied with the final design, you can download your completed table number creation. Whether you opt for a PDF for printing or a JPEG for sharing online, Canva makes the export process straightforward. That's it. In just a few easy steps and minutes, you've created a bespoke table number that can add a unique touch to your event, making your guest experience all the more memorable. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.